this turf line is basically the old cart path line, so there's no reason that this little basin deal up here couldn't just daylight down where the red truck is, where the, you know what I mean? It's more for some part side.
There's really no.
None of this drainage is going in.
Right.
And none of this is going in. So, yeah. All right. Tell me a little bit about yourself, Kevin.
This is really a video. Forrest is the greatest architect ever.
Working on this shared bunker complex between 4 and 5. Kind of getting, this has been a real struggle here because of the way the material had to be piled here. We're actually now taking away some material in order to make this look right. Mark and I spent quite a bit of time yesterday sort of figuring out what needed to happen here so that we're doing the best job we can getting this bunker to show up not only from number 5 fairway on the right side here and having a good relationship to the green and the rock outcrop and bunkers on the left, but also over to number 4 tees where this bunker wraps around and actually has a view in relationship to the number 4 tees as well. Okay, we are at number 5, and this is the famous rock outcrop, the number 5 that was on Hunter and Watson's original plan. And we are trying to figure out how to integrate the sand with this bad boy. Lots of changes made here at number 5, but we're making progress. Just had to work things in around some of the natural contours. Never easy. Yeah, but things always work out in the end. They do. They work out in the end. This is number 6 green site. just sodded earlier today. And we'll be seeding this green in the morning. Interestingly enough, this green actually goes downhill from about 10 paces on the green. The whole green is downhill by about 2.5 feet. But it's an optical illusion, looks uphill, and it's always been that way. What we did is careful laser measuring of number 6 in order to preserve that particular feature of the green. Well, we are out on hole 7. Hole 7, the short par 4, long par 3. We don't know what it is. And our position is, it is what it is. It's 245 yards from the back, 230 or so from the regular. And the concept is it plays just as hard as you want, or as easy as you want, because you can lay up and negotiate the golf hole with really no problem. Yeah, no, that works good, Mark. That's no, they sit in here nice.
Much better. It lets it carry off into the horizon.
No, I think
It
it's
doesn't look symmetrical to me, so it's good. They're different heights.
no, I think it's looking good. Yeah. Now this is probably, in my opinion, this could be the greatest green out here.
I think it's the best.
And so what we've had to do is come in a classic language and create what was here, but in a new language that fits with the housing and the more constrained site, but still feels open, still feels like it belongs and like it's part of the heritage of this wide open golf course. Kind of looking in the way the golfer's going to look in to this number 9 green with the clubhouse area in the background. Great view back down the fairway toward the tees and over to number 8 of the city. Golden Gate Bridge in the distance. Not a bad view of it today, although not as clear as it could be.
Slug of dirt there, which forms the old bunker, that is graded out.
Yeah.
Right,
And-
that all grades out.
That all grades out. So that's either brought to here, Bob,
Okay.
or it's graded into the roadway there to make it a smooth transition to the hillside.
We are at hole 15, and the idea here was not only to put back the green site more to what it was, but to take advantage of Wildcat Canyon like we've done on 16, to really bring these golf holes into the edge of the canyon. And we succeeded. You can see the way the canyon kind of creeps in right to the edge of the green up here. So basically, when you're dealing with a hole location right back here on the very edge, you're right on the edge of the of Wildcat Canyon. This is a hole that Mark Fine, who's right up there, said this was one of the worst holes, if not the worst hole on the golf course. And I didn't really buy into that in the beginning. The more I spent time with this golf course, 17 was a huge disappointment. It was an awful golf hole in many ways. Well, windy day, number 18.